guys, I am back in my bedroom, so you know what that means. We're going to be doing another handbag unboxing. So if you guys watched my New York City vlog, maybe you saw that I got another handbag to kind of commemorate my 100K subscribers, just to celebrate, also to just, I don't know, enjoy New York City a little bit. I was shopping with some friends, and I don't know, I feel like the Chanel bug has kind of hit me. When I purchased my Chanel 19 bag, I had not purchased a Chanel bag in maybe, gosh, I want to say like 10, 12 years. It's just, I don't know, it's never really caught my eye, and that 19 bag really caught my eye, and I had been using it for a couple months, and I just love it. The more I use it, the more I love it. So I was there at Saks, and they have like a, kind of like a boutique within Saks, and here is the box that was shipped to me. So this box is fairly gigantic. Oh, there's a corner of it here that's actually a little bit torn, which kind of bums me out because I feel like it's just gonna get worse and worse, and I don't want this whole lid to kind of fall apart. So I'm gonna have to be very careful with it. But because this box is just too large for me to hold up, I'm gonna do this kind of vlog style. I'm just gonna put this box on the bed and kind of grab the camera and unbox it with you guys. So let's get you down here. All right, so since this was shipped to me from the Saks in New York, they included the dust bag and then this little pamphlet here and a ribbon, sort of separately, not sure why, but it was just kind of thrown into the box on top of this box. So let's go ahead and open it. So we've got the camellia flower right on top, and this is usually a sticker. Yeah, so I'm just going to peel that off and set that aside over here. And then I'm just going to unwrap. Oh, there's little like Chanel on the tissue paper. I don't think I've seen that before. Maybe I just never noticed it before. Since I usually open these up like a wild animal, I'm so excited. Oh, there's another dust bag. So maybe that's an extra dust bag? Okay, let me see if I can do this with one hand gracefully, or not so gracefully. Nope, let me put you down. I'm just gonna pull this bag out of the dust bag. So here it is. I got the Deauville Tote. It is the small size and it is the leather. So I think these totes are popular like in the cloth and the larger size, but the larger size is really large. It's kind of like a beach tote, and then the cloth, while I really like the cloth, I just feel like I'm a little bit too careless for a cloth. And I was really debating between this one, and I don't know if you guys noticed in the vlog, there was a cream colored one, which was new for this season, and the Chanel, I don't know if you guys can see this, but the Chanel here is like in this like gunmetal rivet. But the cream, larger cloth one, canvas one, the Chanel was in imitation pearls, and I was really, really tempted to get it, but because it was cream colored and because it was cloth, I was like, no way, guys. Like, it's gonna look like I ran it over with a truck within 3 days, especially because I was in New York and I thought maybe I was gonna be carrying it around there. So I just decided on the more practical black leather sturdy version. So it has these beautiful CC rivets here at each corner, and then it has like the top handle totes, and then it has the very iconic, you know, Chanel chains here with leather shoulder straps. So I just like the versatility of this bag. I really like the top handles. I really like the shoulder straps. It's really, really comfortable. I really hate tote bags with shoulder straps that like just fit over your shoulders. I have fairly like thick upper arms, and when they just fit over, and if you have like a jacket on or sweater on and it's like too snug to get over, that really annoys me. And these are like plenty roomy, so I really, really enjoyed that. And then you have the nice top handles if you just want to carry it in your hand. And then inside, sorry, it's all black, so it's a little bit hard to see. Let me see if I can angle it towards, oh, there we go. So there is like a zipper pocket in there. And then at the bottom, let me see if I can pull this out. There's like a strap for your keys. And then what's cool is there is a magnetic button here if you want to close the top. I doubt I will ever close the top. I mean, I think for a tote bag, you know, I just like the ease of being able to just throw stuff in here. And then the chain, the shoulder straps, have these like CC, almost like stoppers here on the inside. And then here's the other side of the rivets. There, so there's the detailing. And that's it. It's just one open like cavity. There's only that one, you know, little zipper pocket in there, which is great maybe for a cell phone. So I kind of showed you the like gunmetal riveting on the front. There's nothing on the back. It's just plain black. So if you want to be a little bit more discreet, you can always carry this side out. I don't know if there's much else to say about this bag. It really is, it really is so simple. And I really wanted a tote like this because as much as I love the 19 bag, I can't fit my iPad in there, and I have been trying to vlog a little bit more, and I can't really fit like my vlogging camera, and when I put it like on the little tripod, definitely does not fit in my 19 bag. So this is perfect for that. So I guess you could consider this more of like my, you know, YouTuber work bag. And I was so glad that I kind of discovered this small size because I do think this Chanel tote is really known for its larger size. And that larger size is, I think, great for like vacation, for the beach, for travels. If you happen to carry like a lot of shit with you. If I was still living in New York, I would probably debate getting the larger size. But because my needs are so specific now and very rarely am I carrying like that much stuff with me, I think the small tote is really perfect. And I was so happy to find just kind of like a black leather small version of this. And I think I'll do the same thing that I did with the Chanel 19 bag. I will follow up with you guys in like a couple months and do like a what's in my bag with this one, just show you what I'm carrying in it, the pros and cons of it. I think this bag may possibly benefit from one of those like bag organizers because it is just one big cavity. There's only that one like small little zipper pocket in there. So maybe I'll pick one of those up if I want to kind of be able to put like my wallet and my iPad in there kind of like neatly, make sure they're standing up or something. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens, but I'm so happy to have picked this up. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Again, thank you guys so much for all of your positive comments, positive reactions, and just positivity in general on like the different content that I've been trying to put up on the channel, like the vlogging, the handbag videos, etc. As someone who likes to put out a lot of content, I'm trying to, you know, just vary it up and change it up a little bit. So I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. So give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.